Lately, napapansin ko yung mga tao mas interesado sila dun sa either part-time or flexible na shift. So, for the most part, ang sagot ko lang lagi, hanap ka ng output-based. Kapag sinabing output-based, ibig sabihin gagawa ka laang ng task o kaya ay meron kang output. Collaterals, ganyan. Ang collaterals, guys, ito ay yung mga ginagamit na pinupost sa social media, video, photos, overall graphics design. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng pwede ninyong pag-aralan na niche, industry, or service na pwede ninyong i-offer as a freelancer na hindi nagre-require ng may specific na oras ng shift, then I would highly recommend you check out graphics design. Yung kasi mga marunong gumawa ng graphics design, mas versatile sila. Kumbaga, mas na-diversify nila yung kanilang skill set para mas wider yung audience, yung target market, or yung possible na maging clients. Bukod pa doon, dahil nga marunong kang gumawa ng graphics design, mas madali na para sa iyo mag-create ng mga attractive marketing materials na pwede mong gamitin para sa sarili mong business, which is yung freelancing. Isa pa, visual contents or such a powerful communication tools. Ganon. Kasi napapansin ko yung mga marunong talagang gumawa ng graphics design, they can easily convey yung message nila through their designs. So, whether they're creating a compelling proposal, presentation, reports, parang mas nagiging satisfying sa clients yung ganon. So, mas nagkakaroon tuloy ng higher potential of earning, kumbaga. So, kahit kakaunti yung oras na inilaan mo doon sa pag-create ng design, pwede ka pa rin mag-charge based on how you see fit. Now, if you guys wanna learn how to do graphics design, punta kayo dito sa link sa bio ko. I-click nyo lang yan, tapos it will open our GigHub. Sa GigHub, guys, nandito na lahat ng kailangan nyo para matuto kayo mag-work from home. But we're talking about under live mentorship. Eto, meron kaming class na, syempre hinanap ko. Ayan, 999 graphics design with internship. 2 weeks yung internship noon, output-based din. So, through our classes, you'd be able to learn how to create designs that ensures consistency in your client's branding and marketing efforts. We also highly encourage dito sa class na to na you inject yung iyong personality and you'd be able to portray yung parang uniqueness of your work. Overall, I highly recommend na you take graphics design class just because as a freelancer, it enhances yung yung marketability mo, efficiency, and then yung ability then to deliver quality work. Pero flexible time. Sa August 11 yata yung next class neto. 2 days yung class, pagkatapos may 2 weeks kayo na internship. And mind you guys, yung August classes namin, medyo mas pasabog siya. Kasi nile-level up na namin. Andun kami ngayon sa transition. So, nag-transition kami from having the website to now having like better curriculum sa mga classes. Tapos ngayon, nagkakaroon na kami ng mga partnership kung saan. Mga ganun. Pero hindi ko muna i-chichika. Siyempre sa next video na yun. Mag-enroll na kayo because may onboarding pa tayo. Tapos dadaan pa kayo dun sa pinaka live class. Tapos internship. Pagkatapos application, bukusan namin kayo tuturuan mag-apply. Pagkatapos mag-1-on-1 pa tayo. So medyo mahabang process siya bago pa namin kayo i-certify. So what are you waiting for? Go na. Mag-join ka na. Comment down the questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!